Hello guys, this is the final batch for 2025. We are going to give you 68 test PDF, prelims test PDF, completely solved, completely static syllabus completed, and 250 plus revision charts, 60 plus snippet cards will be there. If you start studying on March 1, day after tomorrow, you will get 85 days to study. Each day, you have to read 100 to 200 MCQs of the PDFs which we give, and this we are calling it as a do or die batch because you have no more time. Okay, in 85 days, if you have to reach your goal of IAS, IPS, clear the first round of prelims which happens on May 25, you have to study this way only. Okay, all our students who cleared last year, everybody have done our test series thoroughly. They have done the watching the lectures thoroughly, everything they have done. Okay, so this batch what we are doing, we are not giving you any lectures. This is completely the MCQ, 100 MCQs in each PDF will be there. The question PDF, answer PDF, both will be given separately. You can study it in either way. Either you can take the question PDF and try to solve it yourself, or you can take the answer PDF which will have the question also, answer also, option, explanation, everything will be there. Okay, so you can read it like a magazine. 85 days if you do the reading of our 68 test PDF, there is a high chance that you will be among people who will next year tell us that you cleared the prelims. Okay, it can be UPSC, or I know many people are giving their state exams and all, they can also clear because these are taken from your history, geography, polity, economy, environment, science, international relation, everything, whatever you need static portion, everything is covered in this. Okay, so that also I will show you, but you should know that the vacancies each year is going down. Okay, the vacancies of 2025 is lesser than 2024, and because of which also the cutoff may go higher. Okay, last time the cutoff was the lowest till date. 2023's cutoff was just 75 marks, exactly like how I predicted in the video when we did during the analysis of 2023. 2024 they are yet to announce the cutoff, but it will be in the range of 78 to 85, and 2025 also expect the same thing. Okay, so you have to make your 40 to 50 questions correct out of your 100 questions when you are in general category, and others will be like lower than that, but you have to aim for at least 50 questions. Okay, 45 to 50 questions if you make it correct, okay, without any negative, you are going to get 85 to 90 marks and you can easily clear your prelims. Okay, so your admit card also, many people ask me for that. Hopefully you have enrolled or applied for the exam. You have applied and done everything. Application form is ready, and you will get your admit card something like this 2 weeks before your prelims. Okay, like May 25 is your prelims exam, means 2 weeks before that. Okay, the May 1st week, mostly by May 6, 7 and all, it will come in the UPSC website, and that time we will inform you. You can simply download it and take the printout of it. Okay, it can be just a black and white also, black and white printout, and there everything, your subject 1, subject 2, the timing 9:30 to 11:30, then 2:30 to 4:30 CSAT, everything will be written there. Okay, you have to carry this in both the sessions, and then only you will be able to write the exam. Okay, with the admit card, with the this thing, Aadhaar card or whatever you gave, right, whatever you while applying you had this thing, the ID card, that you have to carry the original one. Okay. So now 85 days, how will you study? 85 days, if you, why I tell is March 31 days, April 30 days, and May 24 days. Okay, because May 25 is your prelims. So total 85 days. In that 85 days, you have to study your NCERT history. Okay, like it usually takes at least 1 week to study. 1 week you need NCERT history, class 6, 7, 8, I'm telling, class 6, 7, 8 and 12. Okay, this 4 classes if you study, 1 week at least reading, thorough reading you need. But instead of that, just 2 days read my PDFs. Okay, which I give you question answer, 200 MCQs fully solved from all the chapters of these 4 textbooks, and that will be sufficient for you. 2 days study 200 MCQs, your NCERT history will be done. Okay, then you have to take 26 days for polity. Why I put polity this much? Because every year the questions are coming in detail, very like in between the lines and all. You already will have a big textbook for polity. Take that textbook and study, and I will tell you which day, which chapter to read. That also I will give you. Okay, there are different tabs. This Excel sheet I will give you on day 1 when you enroll. That is today. If you enroll today night itself, you will get the Excel sheet, and inside that each day what you have to do, March 1 to 16, March 17 to 31, which I will go through in this video. I will tell you everything, and you can study as per I tell. Okay, but again, as I told, if you start reading textbooks fully, you are not going to complete in 85 days. That is where my test PDF will help you. Okay, so 26 days of reading, in which 12 days are 12 test PDF which you will do. Okay, so instead of reading the textbook, if you want to, all the 26 days you can take to read my 12 tests, 1200 MCQs. See, MCQ count is also given. Like that, if you do 12 days of modern history and other history topics, 14 days of current affair and charts, 4 days of geography, 2 days of science and environment, 2 days of international schemes, everything. Okay, for CSAT also 8 to 9 days will be there. So this and all, if you do thoroughly, systematically, it's going to be hectic. I tell you first itself, this batch is not for people who have been regularly studying and all. This is for people who are who want to give the attempt, but is like did not get time to prepare, and now they want to give an attempt. Okay, so that we will cover all these things through my test, and you will be able to clear this prelims. Okay, so what are the subjects? Again, I'm telling you, 16 test of history you will get out of the, like, the total is 68. 16 test of history you will get, 11 months of current affair. I have not put the May 2025 current affair. Okay, May 2025. That also, if it's ready, I'll give you. But on May 24, like May 1 to 24, whatever happens in news, that mostly won't come in your prelims. Okay, but that's why I have not included. I have included only 11 months of this thing instead of 1 year, 11 months. And then polity 12 test, geography including maps. It is okay, including maps, all the textbooks, everything is covered in this 7 test, 700 MCQs. If you do any question which comes from geography, you will be able to solve it. Okay, economics, there will be 400 MCQs, environment there will be 500 MCQs, science 500 MCQs. So everything, each day 100 questions. You simply by heart it. If you can by heart it faster, it's good for you. More days will be left. Like that, if you study 68 tests, there is a high chance you'll be clearing. Okay, so this, what to do each day. Okay, what to do each day, that I will tell you now. So you have to see that many people tell I am not confident, I cannot clear, but you have to know that now when 85 days are left, you have to believe in yourself and you have to start now. Okay, because many people tell like, anyway I am not going to clear, there's no point giving exam, I will not pass. This attitude if you have, then you better don't give. Okay, but if you have decided that you will give the exam, then start now. Because if you start, at least there is a chance to clear. If you don't start, there is never, like, you are never going to clear. Okay, then again about like talent, hard work, consistency, persistence, this kind of words we keep telling to motivate you. All these things are there, but at least you have to quit all this talking and start. Okay, only when you start, you will realize that consistently when you read something, it can beat everything. Okay, it can beat the talented people also. There will be many people who are like very good in memorizing, very good in, they have all the materials, everything is there, but your consistency and hard work from a single source alone may be sufficient for you to clear. Okay, next year also, after this exam, this year May 2025, when the exam gets over, I will show you exactly how many questions were answerable from our test series and our notes and our lectures, whatever we did throughout the year. From that, how much came, we will tell you. Okay, in case you are new means you don't know about Vysh IAS, simply search Vysh versus UPSC in Google. You type. Okay, Google you type, YouTube you type, wherever you type, you will see all our results, all our previous year. Okay, anywhere you type India's most trusted UPSC brand, our channel will come up. Our Instagram, our YouTube pages, our Facebook pages, everything will come up. So now this batch 7 which I have designed is 3 months, 85 days, 100% of your syllabus, static and current affairs. Okay, there is no CSAT, there is no test for CSAT I have made, but I have allocated some days for that. That day you can solve the previous year questions of CSAT, and I will do many videos for that also in YouTube that you can watch. But this batch is for giving you 68 test PDF, fully solved question and answer PDF separately you will get, and out of that test also, some of the test will have video explanation, meaning it's like an audiobook kind of thing. If you are lazy to read, you can listen to me reading out the PDF. Okay, for some of the test. So that is like 2 different pack I will give, pack 1 and pack 2. One is only the PDF, one is PDF plus the audio. So that you can enroll at the last when I tell you the pricing and all. You can enroll to that. Okay, and even you can call me. 2 times you can call me before your prelims. That is also included in that. Usually for consultation calls, we keep a charge. But who are enrolling to this batch, 2 calls you can enroll. You can call in the like next 3 months. Okay, anytime you can call me. So that is about the batch details, and there is no mains included. There is nothing mains because in 85 days you can't study. This is our usual mains test series. I am striking it off. It is for the other batches we had it. So people are writing mains test and we are evaluating and we are giving you model PDF and all. So that in 2026 batch it will be there. Okay, those who are going for 2026, you will get a bigger, not like 85. You will get like a 400 day timetable and all. A big package will be there. Prelims, mains, everything included. Okay, so that you can come and ask for it 2026. And in case you want to see lectures of Vysh IAS, you can simply go to YouTube and type Vysh space the textbook name. Okay, Vysh space NCRT, Vysh space Spectrum, Vysh space whatever you want to search, economics or geography or anything, CSAT, Vysh IAS CSAT, many videos will come. Vysh IAS society, Indian social system, caste system, everything, there will be lecture. Okay, so you simply go and search it. So that's all free content. I am now not selling that. We are just giving you the test series. The previous batch was 5 months batch, 141 days timetable it was, and that is closed now, and you are now going to enroll for the 85 days batch. Okay, and if you have been continuously studying, I know that you will be tired, you will be like fully emotionally drained, but you have to remember your goal. You have to know that why you started all this, what is your purpose behind this, and there will be some reason, right, for which you choose like UPSC is my goal and I need to become an IAS, I need to become an IPS and all. This you would have decided that time. So that, just remember of that day when you actually decided for this. So this batch, it's only in English medium. That is one thing. There will be no Hindi PDF and all. English medium, dates are March 1 to May 24. I will show you each date which test you are getting, and this is not for this working aspirant, college aspirant and telling like I can study only 2 hours. You cannot clear. Okay, in 85 days by studying 2 hours each, you cannot clear. You have to give 6 to 10 hours each day. You have to study morning, evening, night, full day. Now next 85 days you have to dedicate it for this exam. Only then 2025 you can clear. Okay, those are already enrolled to my batches, previous batches. You continue with the timetable which is given to you. You don't worry. This is for the new people who, as I told, want to start on March 1, self-study, sit at home and just by heart MCQs and go. Then this is for you. Okay, by heart means concept is also there, but still I am telling because last minute and all you have to by heart. Like history is pure by hearting. You have to by heart all the years, date, the kingdom, the battle, everything you have to by heart. Okay, so last batch if you have enrolled, just follow that timetable, and we are continuously doing batches after batches because we wanted result. We want all India toppers because every year prelims, like many people are clearing from our test series and all, but after that we either don't track them or maybe they go and join offline institutes and all. We don't give offline things now, so then we lose track. That is why this year onwards and all we started tracking people, and we are seeing to that. This year also our people gave mains and their interviews have happened, so like that we are tracking the thing. Okay, so now when we are explaining this, many people will tell that, sir, I don't have time, I don't have money. These are the things which people tell. So you should know that you are spending a lot of time on social media. Okay, even like now maybe while scrolling social media you would have by chance seen this video. So WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, this and all, if you can shut down for the next 3 months, it will be good for you. Okay, OTT platform, how many movies you are watching, how many these things you are wasting time each day, at least 6 hours you are watching all these things. You are wasting in that 6 hours. You could have easily completed like suppose 200 MCQs of some subject. Okay, maybe previous year's questions or maybe my test series you could have done. So next 85 days dedicatedly if you want to study, this batch is for you. Okay, and then people tell like give it for free. Anything which is good, right, it will not be there for free. Whatever you are getting is either stolen materials or it's like a copyrighted material of somebody else. This is what you are getting in the online. Okay, people simply download it, and that you should know everybody has access to it. Everybody has access to it, but are they clearing? They won't clear. Okay, they are only those people who are silently sitting and studying one single source material which they feel is the best content. They are the ones who are going to clear. Okay, so you are wasting a lot of money on your food, mobile, recharge, OTT, all these things. Invest in your future. Invest something which is giving you content. Okay, Vysh IAS especially because we are giving you PDFs which are lifetime validity. You can use it the next year also. In case in May month you fail, you can again, you have one more year, right? One more year, use my same PDF, enroll to only the extra test which we make. Now I am giving you 68 tests, maybe another 20-30 tests I will make, including new current affairs and all. That time you buy only that one. Okay, because the static is not going to change. History, geography, economy, environment, the static part is not going to change. It is always going to be constant for every exam. And Vysh IAS test has always exceeded the expectations. Okay, you will enroll thinking something, but it will be much more than that. It will be 100 times better than that. Okay, that is my guarantee. So be an action taker. Listen to what you want, listen to what teachers are telling, and don't give up on this dream. Okay, and about consistency also, maybe all these days you are doing like this and all, and that is consistency only. But now for the next 85 days, try to be like this. Always give 6 hours daily or maybe 7 hours daily. You have to do it daily. Only then this 85 days will be fruitful and you will be able to clear. Okay, our feedbacks and all, if I start showing, it's like unlimited kind of feedback. Okay, whoever has enrolled to Vysh IAS, they have told like I wasted this much money on the tablet course or that course, this course, yellow notes, pink notes, everything went in waste. So our feedbacks are unlimited. Okay, this and all, if you want to come and ask in WhatsApp, I can show you, because each time I pause this and show, at least half an hour will go. That much is there. Hundreds. It's like hundreds. Okay, if I start quickly going down, it's like hundreds, thousands of pictures. I can show you this because I am 24 hours in WhatsApp. Even now many of you will be messaging me in WhatsApp. So all these people tell me all these feedbacks and we like it. Okay, so we keep asking you for feedback because we want to see whether it actually helped you. See, many questions reflected in UPSC prelims helped me a lot. This is I think 2023 only. So like this, each question, see, these are all the questions which came that year. Okay, where is that? Yeah, these are all the questions which came that year. So like that, in case you also want to do well in the upcoming prelims, you have to enroll to something authentic, something which will be actually covering you from the needed standard books. Okay, so the May 25 is your date. Yes, my pen is not working. 1 second. Yeah, May 25 is your date of 2025, and later mains and all we'll discuss later. Okay, and about the questions also, when you enroll, this is kind of PDFs you will get. What you see here on the right side is all my PDF. It's a Vysh IAS PDF, and from that only direct questions comes in the UPSC. Okay, this is all UPSC 2023 prelims. Like this 2024 also many samples are there, and all this in multiple my other launch videos I have shown. And as I told, if you simply search Vysh versus UPSC, okay, search Vysh versus UPSC on YouTube, every year's result like this will be there. Okay, where if you see with anything, economics, environment, geography, polity, history, everything, questions will be there. And these are called snippet cards. You will get this kind of black color cards in which everything is soft copy, everything in your mobile you can download, and even while standing outside the prelims hall on the exam day, you can scroll through it and read it. Okay, because when you enter, you will see that directly, like Wolbachia bacteria question, which came here, Wolbachia method, it will directly appear sometimes. So like that, we have compiled that many things. And so what is the requirement for to join this? You have to have a dedicated mindset. You should follow our instruction. That is, whatever test we give, just keep reading it, and don't ask queries when I already answered many of them. Meaning you can ask queries, but don't make us repeat the same things. Okay, listen when we tell it for the first time. Okay, and if you are enrolled to that audio version of the PDFs also, then you can have a YouTube account and a Gmail account. Then only you will get access to it. Okay. And obviously the course fees, which I will tell you soon, okay, which I'll tell you now in a while. And there is no mains, there is no other things and all. It's purely a prelims test. Okay, not this one. This is our previous batch 93 test which we had. We have a 68 test. Okay, 68 test I told you. This is the 68 test. Okay, so this 68 test, how will you study now? On March 1 to 16, what will you do? March 1 to 16, you have to read your newspaper daily at home when you are reading. You have to read, or if you are enrolled to my daily notes, okay, that's a separate initiative. Daily notes initiative is going on since January. That if you have with you, daily I am sending you PDF already, then don't read the newspaper. That's my guarantee to you. Don't read the newspaper. Just read my daily notes. It's designed for prelims mains interview. You can read that. Okay, that's a separate thing that is not being sold here. Okay, that's a separate thing. Ask in WhatsApp. So now March 1 to 5, what you will do? March 1 to 4, you will do NCERT reading. NCERT history 2 days, NCERT geography 2 days. It will be complete. It's my guarantee. You simply by heart those questions. That is a maximum which UPSC will ask from NCERT book. Okay, they can ask from any other books and all. But NCERT, this 4 days is sufficient if you by heart that 400 MCQs. Ancient and medieval, again, take this 6 days. Ancient, medieval, art and culture, 6 days, 600 MCQs. Just read by heart. You may find it lengthy, you will find it like irritating because I can't memorize fact and all. But as I told, in 85 days, you have no other option. You have to by heart like this only. After that, history, modern history you will do. 4 days, watch my lectures if you want to. If you don't want to, take the Spectrum textbook and read it. Take any Bipin Chandra and read it. Any textbook you take and read it. Okay. Our old lectures are there. That also you can watch. And then we will give you test PDF based on that. Okay. So March 15, 16. And then next tab. Next tab when you go, that is March 17. March 17 to 31. We will give you more history test. Okay, which is spectrum based also. Then we'll give you full test. That is the modern plus, ancient plus, medieval plus, art and culture, everything together. 400 MCQs again you will do. Okay, this wherever you see PT is just a code. Okay, it's a code number for the test. PT82, PT83 and all. It's our code number. We have total 120 plus test we have. So in that certain test only I'm giving you. Only 68 best test I'm giving you so that you can clear in 85 days. Okay, I'm not giving you all the test. I'm giving you the 68 best test. Then you have to give your 1 month for polity. Okay, this is all reading. Okay, this is all reading the textbook. Each day read these chapters or focus on these chapters. If you have some summary notes, if you have the textbook with you, however, but focus on these chapters because these are the most important chapters. Okay, the Parliament State Legislature will take time. That's why I allocated 3 days for that. Remaining, just go through quickly. Okay, it's even difficult. I know that in 1 day doing historical background, silent features and basic structure, it may be very difficult, but you have no option because this is the last phase and it's a do or die batch. That's why 3 chapters I have put each day. Okay, else we will put only 1 chapter a day. But now you have to do 3 chapters each day, and we will go to the next date, that is April 1. April 1 onwards, again you will continue read some insignificant chapters I will tell because much questions are not coming from here. And after that, it's not over. After that, I will give you these many tests. Each day 200 MCQs you have to study. Question, answer, just keep by hearting it. Questions are going to directly come from here. Every year directly it comes. Okay, every year directly questions come from here. And there will be many other also, like last year, like they asked about bail. They asked about judicial custody. These are not there even in your textbooks which you are studying. Okay, so that's not from the newspaper they take and ask. So that is why you have to daily read newspaper, or you should have enrolled to my daily notes. Okay, which is a separate initiative. So this is about the April 1 to 15. April 16 onwards, what you will do? You will do only my test PDF. Now there is no reading of books and nothing. You have to do my test PDF. 400 MCQs of international bodies, 500 MCQs of environment, 500 MCQs of science, 200 MCQs of maps, 200 MCQs of geography of all the textbooks, then economics 400 MCQs, schemes of 300 MCQs. Like this, you just by heart. Okay, you will find it suffocating, you will find it difficult, but as I told, you are here to clear means this 85 days you have to do 6 to 10 hours of reading each day. Okay, 6 to 10 hours is sufficient easily for reading 200 MCQs. Okay, it's like a reading answer. It's not even an online portal or nothing. You have to simply question, answer, question, answer. You have to keep reading. Explanation is also given. For every test, explanation is also given. Okay, polity we would not have given much because polity you should ideally read from the textbook itself. Okay, but in the explanation also why each statement is correct or wrong, that will be there. I'm telling detailed notes kind of thing won't be there because in 85 days you can't read that. That's why we've given you crisp to the point. Okay, so now we have reached the last phase, that is the May month. May month, what you will do? May month you will do the current affair. 11 months of current affair, the last 11 months. And as I told, if you want May 2025 also, that just before your prelims date I can give you. But from that, no questions are going to come. Okay, June to April is the most important. Ideally from January it can be important. That also if I want I can give you. You can come and ask me. But June to April is mandatory. Okay, then we have many revision charts, which 3-4 days you can take and again glance through. And as I told, the last days and all, before going to exam hall, in the cab when you're traveling, every time keep glancing at the chart. Okay, then we have one more schemes test about the latest schemes and all. Other 3 will be more flagship schemes. This one will be the latest one. Then remaining 16th onwards. 16 onwards, we are not giving you any test. All your 68 test is delivered. What you have to do is revise whatever you feel is your weak point. Here 3-4 days of revision is there. And then 4 days you just do CSAT. CSAT means thoroughly CSAT. My some 4-5 videos are there. We have done PYQ videos and you can also do yourself also PYQ. Just do for 4 days complete CSAT reading. Okay. And then previous year questions also, at least the last 3 years. This I will try to do video before your prelims. You can then watch that video. You will Google it, you will get it immediately. You will get all the solutions of all the questions. Do that. Okay. So this is how the 85 days will go. So this way, 85 days if you study, there is a high chance that you may clear. Okay. So now to enroll to this, what you have to do? You have to come and ask me in WhatsApp. You have to just message like 2025 batch 7, B7. I want to enroll. And then the price. Okay. How much is the price which you have to pay? Let me just take you to the price. This is the price. Okay, 2025 test series. We will have 85 days. We will have 68 scheduled tests as per the schedule I showed you. You will keep getting it in your inbox and then you will keep reading it with the charts and snippet cards. So it's without CSAT, the complete static part is there. 1 year of current affair, that is 11 months is there. If you want the 12 month also I can give you. And then previous years we have got 100 plus marks. Okay, that doesn't guarantee that next year also you're going to get 100. We are telling that usually, ideally from Vysh IAS test 100 plus marks is easily solvable. And these days you need just 80 plus marks to clear as per the cutoff. So try to enroll. And this today, if you are enrolling today and tomorrow, that is till March 1. March 1 is the starting date. So if you are enrolling, flat 5,000 off. Okay, because ideally we don't give this, but I know now many people are in there, like they cannot invest more. They would have already invested in many unwanted courses and then now regretting. So I don't want you to again waste lot of money. That is why it's not over. I'll give you an offer also. I'll give you installment also. Okay, this is the price we have set as of now. That is 9999. We are giving you the flat 5,000 discount if you are enrolling today and tomorrow. And then the second pack I told you, same thing as pack 1, but there will be that audio video explanation. That means you are lazy to read all the 68 PDF means out of that 15-20 PDF, I will read it for you. I will read it so that remaining only 48 you have to read it yourself. Meaning you are that much lazy that you can't even read. Then there is a extra little bit price for that, so that you get that extra videos also. Okay, that's all. Else it's the same thing. It's the same 68 tests, the same charts, everything is same. The audio video explanation if you need for that 15-20 tests to save your time because you think you don't have time, then you can enroll to the pack 2. Okay, so this one again I'm giving you more. I'm giving you installment. Okay, so the installment if you see, just push this. Okay, I hope you can see now. Okay, so the installment here, 1 second. Okay, I think the page got stuck. Okay, so this is the installment. This is the same thing, one-time payment. 3 months you can take to pay, meaning till your prelims date, 3 months are there. So each month pay this much, or you can do the same thing here. Okay, 3 plus 2 plus 2, then it will become this price if it's installment. Okay, and now special offer tonight, meaning today, now you are watching this video and tonight itself, that is 27th of February, you are deciding to enroll. 27th of February, you are deciding to enroll. Then we are giving you even more bonuses, even more free things. That is, this is what we are giving you, right? This is what we are giving you at 4,999. Now I am giving you tonight if you enroll just 3,999 which is very low compared to our quality of PDF. You are getting 68 into 2, that many PDFs. You are getting 1 year of current affair. You are getting charts and snippet cards, everything. Plus this thing also. You're getting the budget survey 2025 summary notes. We did not include that in the 85 test because prelims, there are no much questions these days coming from that. You're simply wasting your time. But for your mains, it will be helpful. Already there is the sale out where people are enrolling to it. But if you enroll this 3999, you get this one free with this. And you get the daily note, which I told, right? The daily note, January, February, now it's completed, is already ready. Around 50 PDFs are there, each month 25 PDFs. That full, it's meaning equal to more than, you can tell each day 6-7 topics we are discussing. So 50 PDFs means at least 350 mains answers equivalent content it is. Okay, 350 mains content. This is worth $7.99 if you are ordering. I'm telling January, February alone. These two, because it's already ready, I'll give it for free. If today, this is all today, February 27, today, if you are enrolling, 3,999 price, you get all the things which is worth this much plus this much. Okay, meaning at least you can tell 15,000-16,000 rupees worth of material. Okay, PDF material, we are giving you at this price if enrolling today, Feb 27. Okay, so we want result, we want the messages from you that 25B7, I want to enroll, I want to be the topper, I want to learn from your test, and that is why we are also doing it. We need results, we need all India toppers, and that is why try to enroll, try to study today itself, from today itself. Okay, because if you enroll today itself, you'll get that Excel sheet, and based on that Excel sheet, you can start reading that PDFs when we give you. So you have a big dream. We also have a big dream of helping you. So try to enroll, and any doubt you have to come and ask in the WhatsApp which you see on screen. Okay, I'll wind up this video. I always do 1 hour launch video and all, but this I did in, I think, maybe half an hour because I know you don't have time. We don't want to waste both of our times, and you just enroll if it is suiting you. Okay, so I will see you in WhatsApp, and I hope that those who missed it in the previous batches and all will take advantage of that. And this is the last chance. Okay, this is the last chance. 85 days, 68 test. Okay, just go and give the exam. Thank you and have a nice day.